Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today I just wanted to show you the few entries we did today, especially this one on US30. Beautiful trade, just simple breakout of a structure and drop. That is it. But I will explain you because I actually got stopped out on Nasdaq and S&P 500. I was actually first, like this morning, when I was checking the charts, I was actually looking for a buy, for a potential buy, and I'm going to explain you why. Well, as you can see, that Nasdaq, US30, and S&P 500, all of them showed the same setup, the same bearish flag, and the breakout just after the breakout, boom, just completely meltdown. So it was beautiful. But I will show you what happened first this morning when I spotted the buy, and why after that I just decided to look for a sell on US30, and I'll show you. So starting on Nasdaq, as I mentioned, just jumping in here, what we're seeing that recently the market actually had broken to the upside. It created a new BOS, a new break of a structure. It broke the previous high from yesterday. It broke it today at 4 in the morning. So this is during London session. So London session actually pushing up created a new high, right? That's my new high right there. But then you see this blue zone right here, this little blue zone from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. That's normally my trading hours. At 7 a.m. that's when New York session starts. So from there, the market was actually kind of like creating lower lows and lower highs all the time. Ever since the New York session started, you see the market was all the time creating low lows all the time. However, you see I spotted this potential. I was thinking that the market, after creating the high on London, maybe during New York session, the price will try to go up and continue breaking the structure to the upside, because we were technically bullish. From the day before until now, we're bullish, and the price just broke, created a BOS. So, I mean, I was looking for a buy, definitely. So what I saw right here, we can see that we have liquidity. The market created the double bottom right there. We do have liquidity below. Spotted a nice order block right here in a 1 minute, and of course we do have imbalance. So it was a beautiful setup to go buying. I do not regret making this position to go in a buy. This is why I always tell my students that I don't regret about making my positions. Okay, I will take the position and that's it. I will make the buy or make the sell if based on the setup I'm looking for and the direction I'm looking for, and that's it. If the price doesn't go my direction, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing we can do to control that, because we don't decide where the market is going to go. You can have the best setup no matter what strategy you're using, but you're not always going to be right. Okay, so it's good. It's fine and it's normal to have losses, right? Doesn't mean that the setup doesn't work. Doesn't mean that the strategy doesn't work. It's just that it's not going to work all the time, right? There's nothing 100% sure. So anyways, the price did show some little reaction, then actually just started getting lower and lower. So from that point, what I was seeing is breakout of structures to the downside. Now, this is what I was seeing. Let me clean this. So I was just seeing the price keep breaking. You see, you have a break of a structure, 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 and so on. The market was definitely going to the downside. And then look at this. I also mentioned to the team that right here, you see this key level, this line that I draw right here is not just a line, it's actually a zone, and this zone has been rejected several times in the past, right? It was a nice resistance, nice support, and nice resistance right there. And what do we see right now? We see that the price broke very strong and it's pulling back, perhaps for retest. Maybe the price will continue pretty much to the downside, right? That's what I was looking for. Then after the price was showing me this, the price showed me that it didn't want it to go up. What do you see here on a 5 minute? This is my key level, right? What do we see? Aggressive selling right here, right? A very strong sell. and started struggling here. And I was like, okay, well, let me see. I think I spotted this on a 15 minute. Was it on 15 minute? It changed. This is very weird. Well, this changed. It happens sometimes. I don't know why it changes, but I spotted an order block right here, and I'm pretty sure it was on a 15-minute time frame. I was just waiting to see what the market was going to be showing. But so far, because I was watching also US30 and S&P 500, I was seeing some, like the market was being a little weak. And after breaking to the downside in this key level, the price was struggling right there, and I was thinking, you know what, I think the price could actually start going to the downside, because now it broke below the support. Now it's a resistance, right? So at this point, when the market was right here, I jumped in on US30, and this is when I saw this. The actual US30 had broken the channel before Nasdaq. So when it broke, I did send the setup, and let me show you right here. Hold on the VIP. A few things right here. I sent to the team a possibility of a sale, right, for just a 1 to 2. I was trying to get a 1 to 2 risk to reward. The price was getting starting to break below right there, so I did enter. And we also had a this is a 15-minute time frame. Oh, that's why this was actually on US30. I was showing you on Nasdaq, but it was US30. US30, it was a 15-minute order block right here in this zone, where I started showing some reactions. So I was telling my students that, guys, it's up to you. Right now you have a potential buy and a potential sale. However, I was asking my students, which direction do you think was actually going to be getting? And this is what I said. My bias is bullish for a bit more before dropping. Like, I really wanted to see the market actually like go up a little higher, and then dropping later. I was not like expecting the market to crash right away, but after seeing all these signs of weakness, you know, plus when the market started breaking to the downside, the structure, I was more convinced that the market will then go to the downside. Do you see? And I was not seeing the buyers getting control, because it was not showing any signs, any strong signs of rejection. The same thing on US30 and Nasdaq, it was not showing signs of. So I'm seeing a lot of pressure on a sell. So I wanted to see if it was going to be a trap. So market ended up breaking that structure, and my first target was actually a 1 to 2 risk to reward, which is I was just aiming about this previous low right here, or this low. I was just below this zone, right? And once the price was going down, I moved my stops to break even, and I told my students, guys, I'm going to be now stretching the take profit. And let's see, this is when I was showing them. Market has started dropping right here. I'm taking partial profits, so I was taking partial profits. This is when I moved my stops to break even, when the price was halfway down. And then this is when I extended, right? I extended. This was another partial profits here, and I extended it all the way down here. So I was aiming, I will show you, I was aiming to a 4-hour candle. I was aiming to this candle, for the market to touch at least this candle. And that is it. The market just went straight forward, and it was very fast. It was very quick. In about, let's see, 50-minute candle. So we have 30-minute, 1 hour, about an hour and 30 minutes. So hour and a half reaching the target, but it did melt down. Beautiful, beautiful. And not just that, I am still actually holding a sell on S&P 500. S&P 500 also, I was getting into the same buy, similar as in Nasdaq, but I also got stopped out. So I had 2 little losses, one on Nasdaq, one on S&P, and that huge, beautiful drop on US30. It was about 489 pips drop right there. So that is basically it, guys, how I was able to spot this entry, and the reason why I decided to go on a sell instead of continuing looking for buys is because I saw the market showing signs of weakness. That it was very, very weak. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to show you right quick where the position on gold is. If you've been following me for a little while, you might see that in the last couple of days I posted a video that I'm holding a sale on gold. This is a swing trade on gold, and so far it's kind of struggling right there. It did create it yesterday a new low. Let's see if it's going to continue to the same direction today, but everything is looking really nice. It's very, very cheap right now, gold. So Bitcoin also, this was pretty much the prediction. I've been saying it for a long time, guys. Those who are interested in cryptos, I'm not a crypto guy. If you want to be actually buying cryptocurrencies, I don't know if you want to buy right now, but of course when the price is cheap, it's better to buy cheap and sell when the price is very expensive. Okay, it's just that to me, since I'm not a crypto guy, to be honest, I just clearly see that the market is still bearish. I don't see signs of reversing. So the first sign of reversing would be maybe the price doing this, and then I don't know, maybe showing a bullish flag to then go buying. So that would be maybe a head and shoulder, nice head and shoulder. This would be left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. You can enter on the breakout of this flag to the upside and then perhaps hold it all the way to the 40,000 if you want, or 50,000. But from here, I cannot say I'm going to be buying, because if anything, I believe the market will be reaching back again to the 17,600 or the final target, which is about 14,000. So 13,000 is basically I'm reaching this high right there. Okay, that's basically it, guys. I don't think that Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies will be pushing up anytime soon. If anything, it will continue pretty much dropping. All right, so it's just what I think, to be honest. I am I just trade analysis, just trading mainly on technical analysis. I am not a fundamental trader or a crypto guy. I just simply follow the price. All right, so if you're interested in learning how I'm trading, if you want to see this type of results, if you really want to become a profitable trader, being very patient, and of course being very consistent and sticking to your own rules, to your plan, I recommend you go check in my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle right now, which comes with my course, mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. It's only a one-time payment. That's all you need, and you will be part of the team forever. All right. And if you also want to follow me on my free Telegram group, you'll find out the link in the description below. You'll see that I also post information in there. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.